growing drought, declining rainfall, increasing heat. The oceans are getting warmer. All of these types of shocks and stressors are growing in frequency in Hawaii, and climate change is a common denominator behind them all. My name is Chip Fletcher. I'm a professor of Earth Sciences and interim dean of the School of Ocean and Earth Science and Technology at the University of Hawaii at Manoa. So we've already warmed the world about 1.3 degrees Celsius. This is about 2.2 degrees Fahrenheit. That's equivalent to a low-grade fever in our bodies, and we are on track to warm the world to as much as 3 degrees Celsius. And 3 degrees Celsius is analogous to a high-grade fever. The human body and Earth's surface are both highly sensitive to small changes in temperature. People need to realize that even though we're talking about global warming of only a few degrees, this leads to enormous, massive changes in how Earth's natural systems work, how weather works, and how ecosystems work.
Well, in 2018, a flash flood happened in my valley where I live at, and my house was washed away. It was really sad because we didn't have any place to go. Luckily, my mom has friends, and we were able to stay with them. As soon as the flood happened, our neighbor, who was able to get out of their house safely, sent us a video of my house.
Kaliko's house. Hurry! Oh my God!
It flooded down through the valley and it looked like a boat. We couldn't stop it, there was nothing for us to do. We just had to get out of there and get safe. I'm worried that climate change will get worse if we don't do something about it, and the climates will keep changing drastically, and there'll be more flash floods that I've experienced around the world, and more people will have to go through what I've been through.
We definitely can expect to see more flooding. We already are in a situation in urban Honolulu where at high tide, our gravity drainage fails, so that if it rains, there's no place for that rain to go. It's critically important for ourselves and for the rest of the world that we continue to lead on this issue and develop innovative solutions to the problems related to climate change.
One thing we could do is we could start going on solar panels if you're available to. Start planting trees. The more trees there are, the better, because the trees capture greenhouse gas emissions. If people choose the right decision and they really see what's happening, I believe that we can all make a difference by doing the best that we can.
Hawaii has a massive capacity for leadership in this realm. We've already seen where decisions that we have made to cut our emissions have been mimicked by the state of California and have been promoted around the world. The world now actually looks to Hawaii for guidance and leadership on the issue. I draw real optimism from the Climate Coalition. This is a significant opportunity to break down this false dichotomy between the green and business communities. By working together on the problems of climate change, we can guarantee a future to our children in which they can thrive.
Kaliko, what would you say to someone who doesn't feel the urgency of climate change?
I would tell them to wake up because it's happening and the future is sooner than you expect.